I am about to save you a crazy amount of time today by showing you how to restore your entire WordPress website in just a few clicks. In fact, I am so confident that I can do this whole thing in less than 10 minutes. I'm going to get my beloved, very expensive $20 Casio, set a timer, and if I don't manage to do it, we will put my Casio under the hammer, quite literally. I'm going to be using Duplicator Pro to do this, so I will leave links to that down in the top pinned comment and in the description. That of course means I used Duplicator originally to create the backup of my lovely website, which looks like this. If you need to know how to install Duplicator and create a backup, then stick with me. We will get to that at the end. This is what my website looks like. Something has gone wrong and I'm back to this really basic test site, and I want to put my beautiful e-commerce site back onto here. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to head across into this sidebar here to Duplicator Pro, and we are going to select Import Backups. That quite simply is going to give me an option to drag and drop, upload a backup into here. So I'm going to do exactly that. I have right here my Duplicator archive file. I'm just going to drop it right there. Again, if you do not know how to create this, bear with me. I'm going to show you in just a second. You can see down here that we've got our backup archive file, and that is just the size, and it's currently loading. It says it's going to take about 14 minutes. It's usually a little bit faster than that, but it's enough time to go make yourself a cup of tea, come back, and we should be done. Okay, cup of tea had, or in my case, unnamed carbonated beverage. And we can get back to where we were. Just here, and we're going to click continue. Okay, this is important. Here is a disaster recovery section. This is going to allow you to set a recovery point should anything go wrong, and it is going to allow you to come back to that point. Now, I am going to show you how to do this, or I'm going to get into that, but for now, I just want to show you how to do the restoration. We will come back to this disaster recovery point along with some other issues, some other key things that you need to know and you need to do when you are, for example, migrating your site, backing up your site, restoring your site, certain things you absolutely have to do to avoid any issues. This is one of them, and we will come to it shortly. But for now, let's just go ahead and launch the installer. All right, this is our installer. Now, if when you made your backup, you gave it a password, you are going to need to add it here. Again, something I would recommend doing is adding a password to these things. So I'm just going to add my password and hit submit. All right, next up we get this page right here, which essentially is your setup. And you can see there's a lot of red writing because when you do this, you are overwriting everything that's already there. You are going to a backup. This is a full site install, and you just need to be sure this is exactly what you want to do. Now, we are happy with all this. We know what we're doing, so all we have to do is we're going to click apply just here. And then we are going to come down here and we're going to click on validate. So that's now done. So we can just minimize that setup and the overview one as well. And that's taken us to the validation page, which is essentially just checking everything is okay. Now, there are a couple of notices, things that I can go through and read. They're kind of just warnings that are telling you that certain things are happening. This is a good example, that plugins and themes will show up after the install is complete, but if they're not in the archive file, then that's not going to work. So don't worry about it. It's all fine, provided your backup is correct. And I am just going to come down here, read and accept the terms and notices. You want to obviously read that and then go next. That took probably less than a minute to do. And now all we need to do is click on the admin login button. Now, this message here says that essentially you need to remove all the installation files and finalize the install process. It's not complete until that's until that's been done. But in fact, if you just keep this ticked here and then you click admin login, it's going to do everything for you anyway. So let's hit admin login. And then quite obviously log in. Okay, and success. It's telling us here that my site has been successfully migrated, so everything should be there. So we can now go and check. We can go and see if my site, which ended up looking like this, now looks how it is supposed to. And ta-da, it does. It is all here. It is fully functional. It's exactly how I designed it. I can click through all the pages. It is exactly what I made. Then if we go back to my dashboard, you're also going to be able to see in the left-hand side, I've got all of my different feeds, my different plugins that I've used. I'm using a lot of different social media feeds, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok. It's all in there already. I can go through, I can check everything. The backup has done its job. It really is that simple. But of course, your question now is, how do I make that backup? Well, this is how we're going to do it. We're going to do it by clicking this video right here. And more importantly, if you need to know those things not to do when you are migrating or restoring your site, you want to click this video right here.